If you are in a short position right now, be extremely careful, because if Bitcoin hits $69,000, more than $300 million in short positions will be liquidated. In this video, I will tell you exactly the probability of this happening, so make sure you are watching. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Samo from my crypto paradise. So in the previous video 2 days ago, I told you exactly the reasons why Bitcoin is going to the upside right from the $65,700. As you can see right now, we are pumping exactly as expected. I hope you have made some great profit, because with Paradise Family VIPs we have been ready for this move and strategically position ourselves in a nice scalp Bitcoin position, and on 25x leverage we have made 56% profit. Very nice trade. But what is going to happen right now? Bitcoin is slowing down in this consolidation right here. As you can see on the liquidation data, most of the people are right now in a short positions. They don't like this prolonged consolidation, so they are getting worried and they are in a short positions, and most of these people have their stop losses and liquidation levels at around $69,000. As you can see, this is full of liquidation levels and stop losses, and here at $69,600 there is this massive line worth of $136 million. What happens if the whales will push through this area is that once the liquidation levels are triggered, it will automatically open a long position, and that will help Bitcoin to easily pump to the upside. This is called a short squeeze, and the environment for this short squeeze to happen is right now very favorable. If I switch to 1 hour time frame, but before that let's just remind ourselves what I have said in the previous video. If you have not seen the previous video, go and check it out right now. I've told you exactly our medium time frame targets there. However, we are trading in this broadening wedge pattern, aka megaphone pattern. As you can see, this is a textbook example of how it looks like, and we are in a C wave formation right now. From the Elliott wave theory, we have just finished the B wave, and the impulsive bullish moves are moving in 5 waves, right? So the C wave is usually the largest one, and we do expect that that will finish at $93,000. Then we will have D and final E wave before some higher ABC correction. But before that, you need to understand that this C wave, that is going to be very volatile, and most of the people will lose money here. The market makers are not going to make it easy for you. That is why you need to be extremely careful with your stop losses, and you need to be placing them at the right levels and buying the dips, not the tops of some local resistances, as suddenly most of the people are doing. However, let's zoom out right now at this price action right here. So if I switch on 1 hour, what we can see that we are forming absolutely beautiful symmetrical triangle. As you can see, we are being held down by this descending trend line, which is acting as a resistance, and we are being held above thanks to this ascending trend line support, which have been already retested for 3 times. And as you know, the 3 times is the magical number. Number 3 is a magical number, and we are also retesting this trend line for a 3rd time, and this is going to be a 4th time very soon. As you know, symmetrical patterns, if they come from a bull trend, they are with a higher probability ending in a bullish breakout, right? And if this going to break out with higher probability is going to, what is the lower time frame target? Let's calculate it very quickly. If you are reading our blog post on mycryptoparadise.com, you are absolute technical analysis master already, but let me show you as well how to calculate it. So you basically take the measurement tool, you put it to the base of this price action start, and you put it to the top right here, and then you take this and you put it to the apex of the triangle. This is called apex, right? And this is the likely place of a breakout happening. So if this is going to break out, which with higher probability is going to, we will end up and we will be taking our targets at around $71,000. This is 5% up from the current price, and this is not only a target of this symmetrical triangle breakout, but also you can see that we have structural resistance from this past performance resistance price action. As you can see, this is a strong resistance that always ended up in a sharp rejection. But again, 1, 2, 3, right? This is a magical number. So for a fourth time, the likelihood of breaking through this resistance is extremely high. But we will be talking about this in the next video. So make sure you are subscribed in this channel. Smash the like button if you have made some nice gains on the previous video advices. If you are ready to start trading like a professional and you want trading signals from the Paradise team, where we share with you exactly what coins we are entering, where we have our stop losses, where we have our sell targets levels, where we enter, because you always need to wait for some confirmations, right? And we are monitoring the on-chain data and the markets 24/7, so you are getting way in advance, so you have enough time to react on our messages, signals from us, and we are also sharing with you exactly our portfolio. So if you are ready to start trading like a pro, I will see you in Paradise Family VIP right after watching this video. Links in our website mycryptoparadise.com, and I will see you next time. Cheers.